Welcome to Python Programming for Newbies. In this video, we'll walk through a simple 10-line Python program that introduces you to the basics of coding. You'll learn how to display messages, collect user input, and make your program respond intelligently. Let's begin. Type print open parenthesis quotation marks welcome to Python exclamation close quotation marks close parenthesis. When you run it, you'll see the message appear on your screen. That's your first Python output. Next, we'll ask the user for their name. Type name equals input open parenthesis quotation marks what is your name question mark space close quotation marks close parenthesis. This line pauses the program and waits for the user to type something. Then we'll greet them with print open parenthesis quotation marks nice to meet you comma space close quotation marks comma name close parenthesis. Python combines the text and the variable to create a personalized message. Now let's ask for their age. Type age equals input open parenthesis quotation marks how old are you question mark space close quotation marks close parenthesis. Then print open parenthesis quotation marks you are comma space close quotation marks comma age comma quotation marks years old period close quotation marks close parenthesis. This shows how Python can mix text and user input in one line. Next, we'll ask about their favorite programming language. Type language equals input open parenthesis quotation marks what is your favorite programming language question mark space close quotation marks close parenthesis. Then we'll add a simple decision using an if statement. Type if language.lower open parenthesis close parenthesis equals quotation marks Python close quotation marks colon. Press enter and indent the next line. Type print open parenthesis quotation marks great choice exclamation Python is beginner friendly and powerful period close quotation marks close parenthesis. This checks whether the user typed Python, ignoring capitalization, and prints a special message if they did. If they type something else, the program simply ends after the message. You've just written a complete interactive program that greets the user, asks questions, and responds intelligently, all in 10 lines of code. You've learned how to use print statements, variables, input functions, and conditional logic. These are the building blocks of every Python project you'll create in the future. Run the program again and try different answers to see how it reacts. Each time, Python reads your input, stores it in a variable, and decides what to do next. That's the power of programming, turning simple text into interactive logic. Congratulations, you've completed your first real Python program. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next beginner lesson. I post new videos every week to help you learn Python step by step, no stress, no confusion, just clear explanations and real examples. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to the channel to see more great Python videos.